Would you spend over $2,000 on a gaming laptop from a brand you might not know? Because this MECHREVO Aurora 16X Pro sounds absolutely insane. But there's a catch. According to Firebat PC, you're getting an Intel Core i9-14900HX, a GeForce RTX 4070 Ti with 12 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and 1 terabyte SSD. And it's a 16-inch gaming laptop running Windows Pro with an English keyboard layout. On paper, that is seriously powerful hardware. But here's where I'd slow down before buying. Firebat PC lists this machine at $2,074.50, down from $2,500, but the page currently says sold out. And even more interesting, the product page itself shows 0 customer reviews. So while the specifications look impressive, there simply isn't enough customer feedback on this listing to tell you how the actual laptop performs long-term. As for Firebat PC itself, Scam Advisor currently rates the site as very likely safe, while also noting that the owner's identity is hidden and that there aren't many reviews on common review sites. So, not proof of a scam, but definitely a reason to do your homework. My verdict? Monster specs, but not enough independent buyer feedback for me to blindly recommend it. I'd wait for real-world reviews or buy only with strong buyer protection. The specs can sell a laptop. Real owners tell you whether it's actually worth your money.